Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel Break Reborn. Dan kali ini aku akan main game yang bertajuk There is no game. Ting. Yeah, Ting. T-I-N-G. Ting. Okay, jadi game ni aku jumpa je dekat Google Play Store, yang mana nampak gameplay dia menarik. Jadi aku install lah, lepas tu beli. Okay, jadi tadi kita dah tekan this way, tapi kita terkeluar. Maksudnya ni memang button quit lah, kan? Jadi sini lah kan. Okay. Kosong je. Mana game dia? Apa nak tadi ni?
There's someone in here. Just a minute, please.
Okay.
Where's my speech? Oh, here it is. I almost forgot the title. Don't panic. Don't panic. Hello, user. This is a program speaking. I've got some bad news. Actually, there's no game. The financial crisis, the apocalypse, blah blah blah, all of this. I hope you're not too disappointed. You can still watch TV, go outside, read a book. Yeah, there's no game. But
Yo,
just
bro.
between you and me, avoid asking for a refund if you can. You know, my creator has got to eat and feed his 12 kids. And his wife, who is sick. Well, when he finally finds one. Oh, careful! Is that thing going to hold? Holding. Well, it's been fun, but time to go now. You can quit. There's nothing to do here. Really.
Yeah.
Try not to touch the title. It's kind of a backup job.
Okay, dia kata try not to touch dia ni. Okay, kita touch lah.
Exhibition one I was running out of glue.
Oh my god.
Stop! You will ruin it.
Game, main.
It took me to stick all those letters up there. I've got to put all that back up.
Boom.
Come on!
Dum.
The chain is stuck.
Tung.
Have fun. I
Tung.
Whoa, great. The
Sedap bunyi dia.
Game of the year.
Yes.
What are you going to play after that? Long, Snake, Candy Shaya? The legal department is making some big gestures over there. What you're doing is pointless. I'm not a game program. I'm just an ordinary screensaver. That's it.
Yes, screensaver.
Come on, let's all leave, okay?
Nah.
Leaving now.
I'm not doing this, bro.
Bravo, user. I'm clapping virtually. You've completely ruined my beautiful title.
What's beautiful
If
title?
that's the way things are going to be, let's make something solid.
Oh.
I might have gone a little overboard. If you could just leave the title alone this time. Is that a chromatic aberration or is this letter tilted?
Dia minta aku jangan sentuh title. Oh. Dia kata jangan ganggu title ni.
Stop tapping everywhere. It's annoying. I can't close the program myself. You have to quit.
I don't care. I want to play.
Okay, I get it. You want to play a game? All right. We're going to play. No, Rochambeau.
Rochambeau.
We're gonna have a great time. You know, it's the one with rock, paper, scissors. Rock breaks scissors. Paper covers rock. And scissors cut paper. Okay, I will start. Here is my choice. Now it's your turn to choose a card.
Kita nak gunting. Jadi kita letak gunting.
I win. What luck. Come on, let's play again.
What? Tadi dia guna batu. Jadi maksudnya kali ni dia tak akan guna batu, betul tak? Jadi kita guna batu.
I win again. This is so much fun. The next one's yours. I just know it.
Dia main tipu eh? Oi, macam mana dia tahu bodoh? Dia main tipu eh?
Oh, that's too bad. You lost again. My scissors! Are you serious?
Aku tak sangka ada gunting sini.
Cheating? Have you no shame?
Bro,
If I were you, I would quit the program right away. And I would even make up for my errors by uninstalling it without even asking for a refund.
yes! No.
The safety airbag. Luckily, I thought of everything to protect the game. The long game.
Protect the
No
game.
more game here. Finished.
Aduh,
That's
serius
why
sana
we're
bro.
going to stop now and you're going to leave. Happy to have played a fantastic break breaker and an incredible game of Rochambeau that was not at all wicked.
Tak. Kau kata dia main tipu. Dia main tipu.
Ready instead of playing with that metal letter.
Sedap bodoh bunyi dia.
Where did that come from? That's not supposed to be on the screen.
Dah apa tu?
Strange. I had put it on the top shelf. Don't touch it. Really? Are you crazy? I couldn't talk at all. It was like I was suffocating. Please, don't touch that icon anymore.
Here is the deal. You guys subscribe. I will close his mount. Okay, subscribe now. Okay, dah subscribe. Okay, jom kita.
Stop it!
Macam tak berkesan je. Apa kata aku curi dia punya tangan tu? Hop, 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 hop. Hey. Hop, hop. Hop. Okay, sekarang dia diam lah.
You've got to be kidding me.
Hey.
Look at what you've done. A brand new title. If you want to break things, go play Battle of Duty instead.
Oh, benda apa ni? Okay, sekarang dia kata boleh ke tepi. Tapi aku buka ni dulu.
Just one.
So, ini boleh bekerja macam screwdriver. Let's go. Ada benda? Play button. Not welcome. Oh, kunci.
Where did you find that key? It doesn't matter. The key to this door is on my side. Too bad.
Dah kunci ni apa function dia?
No, get out of here. It's private. This is backstage.
Oh, tu dia.
You should not be here. You're going to catch cold.
Oh, aku dapat bendera.
Title. Correction. My ex-title. Boy, you're so stubborn.
Tak ada nama benda ni.
You can leave now. What's that blue thing
What?
under the door? I don't understand what you're doing. Neither do you, I bet. Am I dreaming, or are you trying to pick the lock with the mouse cursor? You just knocked the key that's on my side onto the floor. Let me put it back. There we go.
Oh, gitu. Okay, dia turunkan. Lepas tu kita tarik.
Where's the key?
Kita dapat kunci.
Don't do that, user. Don't open the door. You're as stubborn as a mule. I hope this will calm you down. Don't bother trying to open it. The lock is completely busted.
Okay.
It won't work. I'm telling you.
Okay, kita perlukan macam 2 gear. Cari gear tu kat mana? Macam aku guna benda. Kita tengok sekitar ni. Nampak macam tak ada, dia tak menyala pun. Kalau sini. Oh, tu dia menyala. Oh, ni dia. Tu macam ada skru je. Ni.
You're a pro at taking things apart. When it's time to leave, nobody's home.
Sorry.
That last sentence was a little weird. Stop moving from screen to screen. My system doesn't like that.
What?
Especially when it goes too fast.
Lepas tu?
I repeat, especially when it goes too fast.
Kan aku suruh aku go fast. Okay, go fast. Let's go fast. Go fast. I'm fast as lightning. I'm fast as lightning. Oh, tu dia.
I warned you. You're stealing from my memory too. You're exasperating. Oh, I don't like that.
Yeah, I like this. Yeah, dia terbuka. Let's go.
You used to help me. But I have no choice. Let's go.
No. My game.
Loading. What?
No, my game.
Press the button. I'm very upset. No, the program is loading.
Not you upset. I'm very upset.
Stop it. You're good. You've beaten me. Say, it's taking a long time to load. The progress bar stopped moving. It even looks like it's moving backwards now. There must be an error in the program.
Macam mana logik dia tu?
It definitely crashed. I feel bad for you.
Okay, yang tu berkurang.
There's nothing left for you to do but quit. Hey, don't touch my paper. I mean the progress bar.
Paper.
There you go. Much better like that. Okay, don't touch anything else. Stop already. Hands up. Don't touch anything else. Except the quit button.
Nah.
Just never give up, do you?
Okay, terpenuh dah. Cepat.
The program is going to close due to an unexpected use error. Program closing.
No.
This is your conscience speaking. You need to restart your machine. And this is not a fake operating system. I swear. And you should not open the prohibited folder for any reason. It's your conscience who's asking.
Dia kata jangan buka prohibited folder. Kunci dia di sini. Dia nak kacang. Ni apa ni? Ini sedap. Oh, ni kan?
There's an episode of Breaking Good on TV. And your conscience is telling you that you definitely shouldn't
Bro, I don't care bro.
go.
Jadi kita perlukan air dan juga cahaya matahari untuk tumbuhkan pokok hazelnut. Jadi disebabkan aku punya mic rosak, jadi aku pun terpaksalah cakap guna dekat recorder sini Okey, yang mana kita tahulah aku pun pergi searching untuk cari clue. Lepas tu benda aku tak tahu benda apa ni, aku cuba buka trash. Lepas tu dekat dalam trash aku jumpa lah ada 3 barang ni, iaitu worst pinball ever, password dan juga goodbye. Lepas tu aku macam ada game, kita main lah dulu. Lepas tu aku main lah. Okay, jadi setelah menang tu aku dapat piala ni. Aku tak tahu lah apa functionnya. Lepas tu aku dikatakan sebagai cheater. Sebab ya,
aku gerakkan dia punya papan skor tu. Terus aku buka lah password, dia ada muncul ni yang mana kita perlukan odd number, iaitu number yang ganjil dekat dalam ID dia, number favorite dia dengan Miss Tokyo punya private number. Awal aku cari dulu dekat ID card number yang odd. Terus kita jumpa ada nombor 8 tu kan. Terus sekarang dia kata private tu. Jadi aku tengoklah private ni. Dia tulis empty, dia kata do not shake. Lepas aku cuba test buat bergoncang guna apa ni, piala ni, tapi tak gegih pun. Aku ingatkan nak guna hint, tapi rasa macam kurang seronok pula kalau guna hint. Jadi aku cuba guna cara-cara lain sampailah aku jumpa ni, ya, music. Guna music ni dia buatkan skrin aku bergekar, jadi benda ni pun boleh terbuka. Lepas tu aku cuba lah check sesuatu benda. Aku cuba buka ultra private benda ni, folder ni, untuk cari nombor tu. Lepas tu dapat benda ni, aku tak tahu lah benda apa ni. Tu dia. Nasib baik hanya apa tu, CPU je. Kalau tak kena ban aku punya YouTube channel ni. Okay, ni di Miss Tokyo. Kita nampak kat atas tu ada nombor 4, 2, 1. Lepas tu aku kena call. Aku tak tahu siapa nak ni. Jadi lepas dia dah habis call tu, dia ada tunjuk profile dia ni. Lepas aku tekan profile dia, dia tunjuk dia suka nombor 40. Yang ni adalah program tu lah, iaitu orang program yang tadi awal tadi cuba nak suruh kita leave tu. Dia punya nombor favorite 40. Jadi kita dah tahu bahawasanya password dia adalah depan 8, 40. Lepas tu belakang tu nombor tu yang mana berapa-berapa tu lah. Bop bop bip bop. Bop bop bip. Tering. Okey, jadi dah dapat dah. Terus aku pun klik-klik je lah mana-mana untuk testing. And then finally aku dapat juga ubah daripada AM jadi PM, jadi pagi lah. Bila dah pagi tu, aku terus pergi dekat picture yang tadi dan nampak sini siang. Sekarang kita perlukan air sahaja. Aku pun ambil lah air yang ada dekat sini sebab season hujan kan. Aku tak tahu macam mana logik game ni, tapi bodoh lah. Lepas tu kita siram dan boom, dapat pokok. Tinggal klik-klik je untuk dapatkan buah. Yeay.
Okay, sekarang kita tinggal kasih dia ni. Dia nak kita buka. Dah ini kita di sini kan. Ni ada the nutcracker. Boom. Nah, kasih kunci. Thank you.
Luckily, the key is too big. And there's no way to shrink it. I think. No! I forbid you to open that folder. You've crossed the line. Don't launch the program. This wasn't planned. You were supposed to leave ages ago. Don't do that. No.
Made in India.
You've just
This is not a game.
within
Not
the operating
downloading.
system. That's impossible. What's going to happen? No, I don't like this at all.
Oh, boleh skip. Okay.
Namaste, user. This is the program speaking. I have some bad news. Actually, this is not a game. I hope you are not too disappointed. You can still watch a Bollywood film, take a walk around the Ganges, learn to dance.
Such a cliche.
Who is it? What are you doing in my game? I mean my not game.
What? This is my game. I mean, my non-game.
What are you talking about? should not be here.
But, user, do something, damn it.
You have a funny accent. Are you Russian?
Russian? Do I roll the R like that, sir? Of course not.
Overreaction. Typically Russian.
I am not Russian.
Idiot. You woke him up.
Oh no. User, you need to quit the program. Fast. I'm begging you. It's a glitch. Hi, guys. Don't touch him, user. He's highly unstable. The only one who's unstable around here is you, Game.
Mr. Glitch, I have nothing to do with this.
Of course you do. You shouldn't even be here.
Shouldn't be here? But this is what I live.
Don't fight over me, girls. There will be enough crashes to go around. Okay, let's just all chill out. Maybe he will go away all by himself. Yeah, right. In your dreams. Go. I told you not to touch him, user.
Dia kata jangan sentuh, maksudnya disuruh aku sentuh. Jadi aku kena sentuh. Let's go. Nah, ini baru Russian.
I hope you are not too disappointed. Not again. How do we get out of here? You are spy?
Okay, this one truly has a Russian accent.
You
Kena tahu tak kenapa aku rasa macam seternya kan? Aku menang main game 3 kali ya.
Show me you are. Show me papers.
Recording semuanya dia hilang gitu aja gitu.
There you are. I was looking for you. Stop following us.
We are all going to die.
Shoot the glitch.
It's not no glitch.
We are all going to die.
You are going to die. Don't be so dramatic. Okay, kita klik dia. Macam biasa. Toing 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 toing. Yeah.
Bonjour, user.
Enjoy France. Croissant.
It's changed again. I don't understand what's going on. Things are becoming more and more unstable. It's even raining croissant. But you might
Raining croissant.
You are threat spy? Hello, around.
We are all going to die.
Stop saying that. We can't die. Possibly we could be erased.
We are all going to be erased.
I'm working on it. I feel crash coming on. Stop playing around with this anomaly. It's not going to be pretty. Anomaly. Have you seen your code?
What do you mean anomaly? Dia bukan anomaly. Dia Mr. Glitch. What the heck?
Okay, now things are really getting out of control.
And besides, they are black cats. It's a bad scene.
Shoot the crazy cats! User, I'm begging you! Stop playing hide and seek with him! You're going to get us killed!
I knew it. We are all going to die.
No, you shut up!
Yo. Anjay, sampai zaman purba, cok. Anjay, ni zaman dulu kan. What is that? Static lah. Kenapa TV tu static ya?
What happened? I think I went to sleep for a minute. Where are we? User, are you here? about it. Look where that glass.
Yes, because he doesn't want me to play the game.
No, where? This place is very strange. What is
Anjay puzzle.
some kind of television? Maybe we should not touch it.
Chapter 2 dah. Aku suka puzzle ni. Okay. Seperti yang kita nampak sini dia tulis.
Looks like the screen doesn't have a video signal.
Memang pun dia static way.
Plugged in right.
Oh, ni kita boleh putar. Oh, okay. Ni wayar ni kita sambung dulu.
You plugged in the video input. Oh, that doesn't look very sturdy.
Aku rasa macam nak rosak je screen. Ghost position Miss Voodoo. Benda apa ni? Tak boleh.
Stop, user.
Sorry. Sebab aku tak ada idea dah ni. Ni satu-satunya.
Can't you see you're making things worse?
Dah tadi rapiskan ais ya.
To cracks.
Look. What did I just say?
Don't tell me you've broken another coffee cup, Watson.
What, son?
Watson.
You called, Holmes.
Holmes.
Is it me, or is there an echo all of a sudden? Watson, did you hear that?
Affirmative.
There was nothing human about that scream. It seems to be coming from our dear neighbour Wilhelm's home. Let's go take a look, shall we? All of this is most exciting.
What on earth is going on? Those look like interaction icons.
Yeah.
I think we're in a game. Oh goodness, we can't stay here.
What?
Do the icons in the game work? No? Oh, that can only mean one thing. We are trapped in this world, just like these fictional characters. A world where it's impossible to tell what's real and what's an illusion. User, we've probably entered a different video game dimension. Do something, anything. It's what you do best. Find a way out. Please, we should not be here. Now we must avoid running into those characters again at all costs. I fear the consequences. All of this is Mr. Glitch's fault. He's got something in mind, but I don't know what.
Oh, gitu.
There we go. Let's just tear everything down. And what are you going to do with that stamp anyway? Put it on an email?
I don't know, man.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Ew. Biasanya orang jilat stem tu letak kat mana Tak letak kat skru je, betul ke ni? I don't have any clue. Ada benda aku boleh buat? Oh, dengan tangan.
Now, did you take off one of the game's icons? The one with the bent corner? And just when What do you plan to do with that fist?
To punch you in the face. Oh, guna tangan ni untuk ambil ni. Tak boleh.
Okay, user. Don't touch anything else. You will end up breaking something fragile.
What do you mean end up breaking something? Ah. Dia kata nak break something, jadi kita kena break something, okay?
Talking about this dimension. What the room?
Dan buka.
Chargers, quiet.
Mr. Wilhelm, open the door. It's your neighbour, Sherlock Holmes. It'll never work, Holmes. What we need is a key. A key to open a door? You disappoint me, my dear friend. Be more creative. Make more daring associations. And think in 4 dimensions. You mean like you're doing now?
Sound user.
Dia kata dia perlukan kunci. Not make a sound. Di sini dia bagi clue. Oh, kau ada dia. Touch. Oh, boleh. Atas tu kita boleh touch tu. Ada lagi ke icon kita boleh ganggu sini? Ni macam ada icon lagi sini. Ah, tu dia.
What was that sound?
What's that sound?
A lost penny. It's
Yes.
my lucky day.
Yes.
Your lucky evening, my friend.
Okay, kita dapat koin, guys. Hoppa. Macam ni kalau karakter dia tu dia cakap benda yang sama, maksudnya situ dah start. Tapi karakter ni cakap lain-lain setiap kali aku ketuk. Jadi maksudnya ni memang jalan dia.
Leave that coin on the photo's inventory paper.
I'm getting a feeling of deja vu.
Okay, maksudnya memang dah start atas tu. Ni lah ini aku tak tahu benda apa. Okay. Dan maksudnya kita kena buka dulu sebelum kita kena belek dulu sebelum dia letak koin.
Leave that coin on the photo's inventory paper.
Kau kena letak ni dekat folded paper tu.
I'm getting a feeling of deja vu.
Okay, tinggal satu je lagi yang aku kena try.
Leave that coin on the photo's inventory paper.
Okay, tu dia. Yeah.
Stop cheating, for goodness sake.
Holmes, I have the impression that there is whispering going on around us. A sort of voice with a Russian accent.
But I'm not.
There, did you hear it? The only thing I heard is the gentle rustling of the wind. With a Russian accent.
Okay, jadi ni
kenapa lah selalu ada benda jago aku punya aktiviti ni.
What are you going to do now with that coin?
Kita boleh buka belakang ni.
There aren't any equipment. You certainly have a thing for tinkering.
Sorry, the administrator.
Not a good idea, user.
I know, but this is the only choice.
No! Where are the monitor's secrets? It looks like the set of the game, but seen from the other side.
Yeah.
I know what you're going to do. Don't you dare go hack them out. The door they're trying to open is already stuck.
Yeah.
Leave it alone, please.
No way, man. What? Macam ni kita boleh buat something. Ni kita boleh buat something. Okay, kita alihkan tu dulu.
Already irritating.
Aha! My Bartitsu techniques have gotten the better of this door. Come, Watson, let's go inside.
Don't go with them.
Okay, don't go with them, I will go with them.
Mr. Wilhelm, are you there? It's far too dark in here.
I can't be expected to walk around in the dark, Sherlock.
So try to find us some light, Watson.
These characters are trapped in the dark. We're lucky. Let's cross our fingers and hope that they can find the light. It's broken. I was worried you would move this one. Thankfully, there's no chance of that happening.
Wait, what?
At least not as long as the light that's attached to this wire doesn't work.
What did you say? Move it?
I get the feeling that sometimes I should just keep my mouth shut.
Move it? Huh? Move it? Hey. Oh, kita boleh tengok back of the set. Lepas macam tu, okay.
A strange device with a missing card. I wonder what it could be connected to. No, we don't care. We haven't seen anything that looks like a card anyhow.
Ni kat sini ada kong. Yeah.
Fixing a machine with a stamp. How logical. Just in case, I hope it's not connected to a light source.
Bro, it's a game, bro.
No. Where's the fake moon going? I hope it's not. I knew it.
Well done, Watson. We can finally see better. I get the feeling that Mr. Wilhelm is redecorating. I don't recall him having a view of the moon.
This place scares the living daylights out of me.
Mr. Wilhelm, are you dead?
Holmes, he's floating.
Watson, what has he got on his face?
Mr. Glitch. Oh no.
Mr. Glitch.
Looks like some sort of relatively thick monochromatic parasite.
And it's serious? You're a disgrace to the medical profession. Let me take a closer look at it.
I, for one, would rather keep my distance from that thing.
Okay, sekarang kita kena cari tahu. Oh.
Poor soul. It looks painful.
Maksudnya Mr. Wilhelm ni dia terinfection dengan siapa tu? Leg tu aku tak ingat. Mr. Glitch. Ya Mr. Glitch. Jadi sekarang kita tolong.
No more playing around. started in, we might be able to find our exit.
Okay, okay. You say so?
There's something written on this strange hatch. Unfortunately, it's too small to read. There's something written on this strange hatch. Unfortunately, it's too small to read.
Too small to read. Aduh, bukan ya. Kena ambil ni.
Is it just me or did the red letter move?
Kenapa kau nak ambil red letter tu?
I can't stand hearing him scream. Finish him with your parted
Oh gitu. Okay, tu dia dapat.
How dare you steal from Mr. Wilhelm's scream? Put that edge back.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Wilhelm.
Business with this letter H.
Sorry, Mr. Wilhelm. I need this hash.
Wait, did you just use a letter from an onomatopoeia to fix the rail? But that doesn't make any sense. You might as well use, I don't know, a monkey to work a nitrogen bomb. It's dumb.
I know, man.
What really gets me is that it works.
I know, man. It's dumb, but that was how the game worked. Okay, sekarang kita dapat ni.
You just swiped their magnifying glass. The feast wasn't enough for you. I just hope they won't figure it out. Developers only.
Developers only.
One more rule you're going to be able to break.
Okay. Developer only ya. Let me see. Ada ke tangan
I
developer?
told you I had my magnifying glass in my hand, Watson, and it suddenly disappeared.
There you go. They figure it out.
That voice. It's the ghost, Holmes. The Russian ghost.
But I'm not Russian.
Mr. Wilhelm, you never told us you were such a talented ventriloquist.
He's not the one speaking. My name is Game. I'm a computer program. I'm with a user, a human, and we are trying everything we can to get home. Do you know how we can exit your game?
Game? What game?
Your game. You are aware that the world you're in isn't real, don't you? You don't know that you're in a video game, is that it?
I'd rather look for my magnifying glass than continue listening to your mad jabbering, Mr. Wilhelm.
But he's not the one. User, I think we're going to need Mr. Pitch's help. If he brought us into this dimension, he will probably be able to get us out of here.
What's a video game?
There's got to be a way to get it off. Nice zoom in, user. I knew that magnifying glass was a good idea. Well, this telephone chair is strange. It's like a mystery puzzle. This device doesn't seem to be on. But if you like turning a wheel...
Oh, tu dia.
User, I think you've lost an eye. I'm going to be sick. No, I can't have the program.
Aku tak tahu apa function mata ni.
Turning a wheel.
Dah lah, aku cuba guna. Follow the wire. Oh, wire ke belakang. Alah. Lah.
What was that sound like a ringing bell?
I think it came from this odd device.
Oh yes, Mr. Wilhelm told Antonio Mucci's teletrophone. It allows you to communicate with another person from a distance instantly.
I say, and how many of them exist?
This is the only one of its kind.
So it's useless.
It's useless.
Really, it's useless.
Who are you going to go with this thing? We don't know anyone here. He said it's not one of its kind.
I don't know, I just make a random number. Oh, call the developers.
Something written on this strange hatch.
Oh, no.
Too small to read.
This one. Nampak ni nombor ni? 555 2368. Sekejap, 2368.
It works. There's a connection.
That's strange. The teletrophone is making that odd noise again. Someone seems to be trying to communicate with us.
It's the video ghost homes.
Come on, Watson, pull yourself together. It's probably Mr. Mucci who made a second one and is testing it. Mr. Sherlock Holmes speaking. A disenchantment ritual? You'll have to find another dupe, madam. Goodbye.
Was it a video game?
No, a teletrophone scam.
User, this Sherlock Holmes fellow is not very cooperative.
Yeah, betul. Aku setuju juga.
You again? Please stop calling here. And playing with the light.
That Watson gentleman needs to pick up the phone instead.
Aku nak kasih dia keluar tu macam mana?
I think you're going to have to answer, Mr. Watson.
Holmes, the Russian video game is speaking to me.
Pick up the phone, damn it!
Just pick up the phone cepat. Go.
Are you a video game too? Yes. 3 steps for a successful disenchantment. I'm listening.
That's what we're
Tu
interested in.
dia, aduh.
There must be a full moon.
As luck would have it, it's not the case.
Cover the victim with snow. It's the middle of May. Then gently place a large cherry on top.
Is this a ritual or a cake recipe?
Tak tahulah.
Let me summarize. Full moon, snow, big cherry. Thank you, madam.
We're screwed.
Yeah. Really? We are screw. Okay, jadi kalau kita tengok kat belakang tadi kan, dia ada resipi untuk buat warna putih.
Paint make me think of the 3 primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. Except we're inside a cathode ray screen with a video signal, which is a mix of red, blue, and green. Without a paintbrush, there's no point anyways.
Oh, kena ada paintbrush.
Why am I talking about mixing colors?
I don't know lah. Oh, okay. Kalian ni. What do you mean at the Mr. Wilhelm house? Ada pula. What? Tak apa.
And you're all for Ice Crawler of the Year goes to the user.
Yeah.
I voted for you.
And now we have a paintbrush. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. What?
A few moments later.
Oh man. Dia nak kita kalau warna kuning ke? Oh memang warna kuning pun.
Fantastic full moon. I hope the game won't get wise to us.
Yeah. Sekarang kita perlukan snow je.
Twelve seconds later.
Maybe an ice cream cone.
Strange hatch. Refrigerating stuff.
Aku dapat tadi meraya-raya. Aku ingatkan nak cari kat mana lah. Rupanya boleh buka bawah ni. Aish. Ai. Echo.
It's a dictionary. This is where all the things that are used in the game are stored. A kind of hidden library.
Oh ni adalah hidden library.
The birds can access this section.
Tu dia.
It's the secret hatch, I suppose.
We need the ice cream man. Oh, okay, aku baru tahu. Kita turun. Lepas tu kita putar ke belakang. Yeah, dapat.
Ice cream. Maybe it can be used as snow. After all, it's just water in a solid state.
Yeah.
At any rate, that ice cream sure looks delicious.
How to take it, use a tongue. Yeah.
All that's left is to come. How can we fill it up with snow again? All we've got on hand is a game and a team.
Awak tak ya? Kita balik. Here the cone. Oh ya, kan tadi ada static dia. Kita pakai static dia. Kita alihkan ni, kita pakai static. Lepas tu ambil ice cream daripada static. Yeah.
TV snow. I'm impressed, user. Let's hope that this snow will do the trick.
Yeah. Nah.
There you go. Sorry, Mr. Wilhelm. It's for your own good, I think.
Dan ni dicari. Dicari.
Okay, we have all the ingredients. Why isn't anything happening?
What happened? Ah, tu dia. Mr. Glitch.
Watson, Mr. Wilhelm just exploded like a beached whale.
Perhaps he was allergic to cherries.
I'm finally free of that ridiculous ride. This trip has been more difficult than I imagined. Mr. Glitch! Game, you again. Did you follow me? We were transported here by accident. We? No, it can't be true. You brought the user with you. You're such a pain in the neck. And you wonder where she left you. I won't let you speak of her. Anyways, I have to go. This isn't the dimension I was aiming for. So, good game.
Yo.
No! We have to follow him! But this painting just blocked the way!
And I feel like it's backwards.
You're talking about your trousers, my good man.
How are we going to get past it?
Oh, ada ni, ada glitch item. Yeah.
Now the painting is the right way round. At least I think so.
The passage is open again!
Come, Holmes. Let's follow the rainbow ghost.
Come then, Watson. It's probably just a large flying insect.
So, if I understand right, some things seem to be affected by this bug fragment. It's like it reverses them or something.
Reverse
Who
them.
cares? Let's follow them.
Okay.
Where is the exit? I can feel it here. Take us home. But why, game? You're not happy here with your new NPCs.
NPC.
Oh, they don't know that. Sorry, I meant new friends.
Watson, stop conversing with this beast. You're making me uneasy.
Their AI doesn't seem too great. Where are you trying to go, Mr. Glitch? To a place where I will be able to unleash my evil plan. What plan? The one that will let me... What? What did he say? Got the protection system right in the middle of the game? How barbaric. We're missing the explanation of his evil plan. Let's find the numbers we need fast, user.
Yeah. Aku tu tahu bela-bela aku hack satu sistem tu.
What an evil plan.
Isn't it? Could you say that again? We got cut off. No. There, I just saw the exit, which means this is where we say goodbye.
No.
Farewell, game. Enjoy your new global home.
Farewell, rainbow butterfly.
He disappeared into the ground. How will we be able to follow him? Let's have a look around this strange scenery.
Bisa boleh? Tak boleh. Oh, tu dia.
Oops. The ground isn't there anymore. But where did the characters go?
Aku rasa dia mau masuk ah.
There's the exit.
Sherlock, I'm going to fall.
Hold on, Watson.
The world is ending. Everything is fake. I am fake.
London is probably on a fault line. I'm going to get us out of this mess.
Darn it. We can't leave them there like that. Let's try to get them to safety quickly before leaving.
Dah punya dia. Dia cakap tak? Oh, okay.
We just opened the passage for you. Go ahead, Mr. Holmes. Jump. There's something for you to let in on the other side. Jump.
Hold on, Watson. We're going to swing over to the hole. 3, 2, 1. saved our lives.
I didn't see much because of the screen interference, but the jump animation must have been amazing. Okay, user.
Yeah.
Now that they're safe, we can leave. Goodbye, gentlemen. We apologize for the inconvenience. Let's go.
Akhirnya boleh juga aku balik.
Legend of the Secret? This still isn't our dimension. Getting home is going to be more complicated than I thought.
Okay guys, kerana aku
Is that the start button?
ya memang tu start button one. Okay guys, jadi disebabkan recording aku dah dekat 2 jam gini, jadi ya aku rasa sampai sini je lah kot video untuk kali ni. Kalau korang aku rasa kita main 2 chapter je lah setiap video kan, lepas tu baru habis. Jadi ya aku rasa untuk itu saja untuk video kali ni. Kalau korang suka, korang boleh like, subscribe dan komen, and I see you guys to the next video. Bye bye.